I'm Annise. Today we're going to be embroidering maps. So you can do quite a few things with embroidering maps. In your kit you're going to find some embroidery thread, a needle, and a map. For the purpose of today, I went ahead and thread the needle. So your map can be anything, and you can do anything with your map. You can embroider around, you can embroider different pathways in your map. Today I have a map of Indiana, so I'm actually going to embroider Monroe County right here. So it's pretty simple. You just have to find where you want to start embroidering and start embroidering. It's a little funky, but here's my heart. So I've got stitched around Bloomington, stitched around a little heart, and now it's ready to frame or put up on the wall.